Hello, dear children. I welcome you in today's English class where we had started class 9th, first chapter of Beehive, the fun they had. We had completed that Margie found a book with Tommy where about school and about teachers and school were written, the information about it, and she got shocked that how somebody could write about school because school was the place which she hated a lot. Let's continue. Sure, they had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher, it was a man. A man? How could a man be a teacher? Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked questions. So Tommy was telling her that they had teacher, a man used to be the teacher, meaning a human being. Because Margie had never seen a man as teacher, her teacher was a computer. So she said, how a man could be a teacher? Then Tommy explained, yes, that time a man used to be a teacher and he was taking homework and doing all the thing, whatever task was done for her by her computer teacher. Sure, he is. My father knows as much as my teacher. He knows almost as much, I bet. Betcha. Betcha meaning informal. I bet you. He said, yeah, it was difficult for Margie to believe that human being can know better than computer teacher. But he said, no, it is really true because my father, Tommy is telling about his father knew as much as his computer teacher. So he wanted to prove that it was not so that only computers knowledge was better than human being. At time human being could have the same sort of knowledge as confirmed by Tommy. Margie was not prepared to dispute that. Dispute meaning to argue. She said, I would not want a strange man in my house to teach me. She said, but it is really very difficult that a strange man is coming to my house. Tommy screamed with laughter, meaning he had a great laughter, loud laughter. You don't know much, Margie. The teachers didn't live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. So now Tommy said, he started first laughing and then he said, Margie, you don't know about the school. That time teacher was not going to live in the house of students, but they used to come in a special building that was called as school, where student and teacher both were coming from their own families, and one is taught, one was teaching them, and all the kids learned the same thing. Sure, if they were the same age, but my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit in the mind of each boy and girl it teaches, and that each kid has to be taught differently. And Margie, Tommy told Margie that that time teacher was teaching the same thing to the entire class. But Margie said, no, my mother said teachers should be arranged according to the need of the child. But Tommy was telling this was the different thing. Earlier it was not happening. And all the kids learned the same thing. Just the same. They didn't do it that way then. If you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. I didn't say I didn't like it, Margie said quickly. She wanted to read about those funny books, schools. Now, Tommy said, no, Margie. Earlier, though time, this type of things were not there. Now, Tommy said, if you do not want to read this book, the real book, what they found, then he should stop. Because Tommy would not read it for Margie, and Margie, if she did not want to read, so she should not. But Margie said no, she had great interest to know about the type of schools. Hmm. I didn't say. Margie said, no, I did not say that I did not like it. I like to know about funny schools. They were not even half finished when Margie's mother called Margie school. Margie was reading the book, but that book he could not finish even half. But her mother called her because it was the time for her school. Margie looked up. Not yet, Mamma. Now, said Mrs. Jones, and it's probably time for Tommy too. Now, Mrs. Jones said, no, it was the time for school, and even Tommy's class timing has also come up because Tommy and Margie were conversing, they were talking. So now, mother said it was the time for both of them to start their school. Maybe. Margie said to Tommy, can I read the book some more with you after school? Now, Margie had great fascination about the book. She requested Tommy that whether it was allowed to her that she could read the book after school because she wanted to know many things about that new school concept. Maybe he said nonchalantly, meaning not very seriously, not showing much interest or enthusiasm, or carelessly. He said, maybe you can. He walked away whistling the dusty old book tucked beneath his arm because he did not show a lot of interest towards the book, and whistling way he went, and the book was under his arms. Margie went into the schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. Margie's school was near her bedroom. There, her mechanical teacher was waiting for her. It was always on at the same time every day except Sunday and Saturday. Every day she used to have her classes just like the same time, only only Saturday and Sunday no class was there. Because her mother said little girls learned better if they learned at regular hours. Because her mother believed that small children learn better if regularly they are having classes. That is why Margie had also regular classes. Monday to Friday she used to have classes, and then Friday, Saturday, Sunday she used to rest. So dear children, we will do today this much only. Thank you everyone.